What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, when it comes to XRP, I said that we would see an XRP ETF coming soon. And with the release of the XRP Trust, you feel as though XRP ETF is coming very, very soon. And while we didn't have that, we just had the conversations and the statements that I was making saying that the XRP ETF is coming. And many people in the comment section were just like, no, why would they do that? Why would they release an XRP ETF if they're currently in litigation and all of those things? And I had to explain Ripple is the one that's technically involved in litigation right now. XRP has already been freed up as not a security. Yes, the sale from Ripple to institutions is considered violating securities laws, but the sale directly to retail investors or from retail, like if institutions decide to pick it up themselves, it's not considered a security at all. It's just a sale from Ripple to institutions. That's the way they classify that. I have no idea why. Maybe they don't want to dilute these institutions, but we'll leave that how it is. We have no explanation behind it. But XRP is freed up. So my thought process is that this could happen. It's just not something that we would see an approval for if we're constantly seeing the fight against Ripple and XRP. However, they're gearing up to get this done. They're ready to see an XRP ETF. We were ready to see an XRP ETF before Ethereum did. And honestly, it should be before Solana. However, we don't know if that's going to be the case. Solana might come out of nowhere. We might see a Solana ETF filing, and then we have a Solana ETF. But XRP ETF is coming very, very soon. So I told you so. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out my link for Margex. Check out my link for Twitter, for Patreon, all of those things down below. At the top of the description, you will find a link for Margex. If you guys want to check it out for yourself, it is a fantastic platform that I've been having success on. I really, really like. You can do up to a 50x leverage on XRP if you wanted to. And all you have to do is you go in here, you select whatever you want, whatever coin that you want to leverage. Then you have XRP, and you just select what you want, whether it's an isolated leverage or other leverages. You're going to see that you have a 5x leverage here. You can change it if you want to 50x leverage, and that's only if you find confidence in where the current price is. But you can do a 50x leverage, or you can do a 5x leverage that gives you a little bit more room. So again, if you're confident, if you're not confident, make sure you educate yourself. If you don't want to do it, then I understand leverage trading can be very risky, but it can also be very lucrative. So anyways, XRP ETF. It's coming soon. I have this article here that talks about, a Ripple CEO expects XRP ETF as institutional demand for crypto grows. And we've seen Brad Garlinghouse come out and say, look, we know the ETF is coming. We know that there's going to be massive support for XRP in a large way. And we're just kind of counting the days until that happens. Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghouse remains confident that the exchange, sorry, I went back. Let's see that the exchange traded fund ETF for XRP USD is just inevitable, despite ongoing regulatory challenges. As institutional demand for crypto surges, Garlinghouse emphasized that the importance of crypto ETFs, pointing the explosive growth seen in Bitcoin ETFs since their approval. Now, for Ethereum ETFs, we haven't seen the growth in that. We've seen just the growth in Bitcoin, not just in the ETF, but in Bitcoin. Ethereum ETF launched and was tradable, and then everything kind of fell down there. I think that was just timing, honestly. However, XRP's path to an ETF approval is far from clear, clouded by legal battles and regulatory uncertainty, and that's their opinion. Since funds holding Bitcoin were approved in January, 17 billion has flowed into the fastest growing ETF in history, Garlinghouse noted in the interview with Bloomberg. This inflow, he explained, showcases the growing appetite for both retail and institutional investors for easier access into digital assets. And you know what? I agree. I agree that while you see the growth there, it opens up a new window, a new door, a new home to and for traditional investors, people like a Warren Buffett, who really doesn't want to invest with a Coinbase or doesn't want to invest with a Kraken or anything like that. He wants to take whatever platform he's using and be able to invest in cryptocurrency, but not directly. He wants to invest into it indirectly, not him specifically. I think he hates crypto. But the point is that traditionalists who don't want to go out there and get another account, they want to invest with Fidelity or invest with I can't think of any, Robinhood or something, right? And while you're investing with those platforms, you can now easily say, I want BTC ETF or whatever it is. And now you have this Bitcoin ETF or Ethereum ETF or XRP ETF. So it's definitely something that's a necessity. I've run into many people that are like, I don't want to open an account for Coinbase, but I want to own Bitcoin. Well, technically, you're not owning Bitcoin, but you can own the ETF, which does flow with Bitcoin and kind of moves simultaneous with that, with the percentages that you do see there. So it could be massive for you owning Bitcoin or being a part of that. Now, legal challenges loom large for XRP, while Bitcoin, BTC USD inches closer to new highs. XRP's trajectory is more uncertain, largely due to its ongoing legal dispute with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple has been embroiled in a multi-year legal battle with the SEC, which claims the company illegally sold XRP as an unregistered security. Now, we have to understand that when people bring this up, it's always about like the fact that XRP is involved in this or Ripple is involved in this multi-year battle claiming that they illegally sold it, right? The judge ruled, right? So XRP, the sale from Ripple to retail investors is not considered a violation of securities laws. However, the sale to institutions is a violation of securities laws, meaning that we know that you can't sell directly from Ripple to these institutions. That's it. We know that that's a fact. So all we're now dealing with, and we've been dealing with for a while, is literally just the punishment for that action. And if you have the punishment that they came up with a $125 million judgment and fine that they had to pay, they now want to appeal that and they want to get more money. It's about the money. It's not about what is and what isn't a violation of securities laws, because we know based on law what is and what isn't. So we have no issues there. It's just Ripple that's against the SEC on how much they're going to pay. But since it's still an active, case that's out there, it's something that still does loom over their head. When we look at XRP and we understand the growth of where this is going to go, the ETF is going to be a major point of that. Also, the finality of the case itself will be big, and then just a continuation of growth and support for XRP and for Ripple will be that as well. Now, XRP currently stands, it has increased about 1% today. It's at about a 53-cent price, $1 billion in volume, $30 billion market cap, and we still see that supply sitting around 56.7 billion coins out there in circulating supply. So understand that the future is kind of unknown in how much this is going to grow, but the ETF is inevitable. The ETF is going to happen. The growth for XRP is going to happen. It's just how much that growth is going to be, which we don't really know. There's a lot of predictions, but XRP is going to be big. I have to tell you that I knew the XRP ETF was going to make it. It's just a matter of when that's going to happen, right? They think it's going to be in 2025, but it's not 100% certain. Who knows how long they're going to, this overall case is just going to last. It's going to be another 3 years. That would suck if it is, but that's always a possibility. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.